Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. It's been a YouTube tradition that once your channel hits a certain number of subscribers, you do a giveaway. And I'm sure plenty of us, myself included, have enough kits to last us a lifetime. When a modeler offers up a kit from their own collection for a giveaway, it really truly is something special. And that modeler not only deserves a huge congratulations on the milestone that they've reached, but a huge thank you as well. So I would like to extend that thank you to Adam at Sodak Model Cars. Recently, his channel, deservedly so, reached 2,000 subscribers. And if you guys haven't checked out Adam over at Sodak Model Cars, the guy is a super talented builder. He has his own flair for building kits, and he does an excellent job as well. Two of my absolute favorite kits that Adam has built have been the USAC builds. Last year, he did the 70 Roadrunner, and that build turned out fantastic. It was jaw-dropping. Adam really did quite a spectacular job on that. And this year, with the pickup truck, that truck looks just absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to see the final. So I'd like to, again, congratulate Adam on his 2,000 subscribers and for personally reaching into his own collection and sending me this kit. And I have no idea what it is. Let's get into it. So again, if you don't know Adam at Sodak Model Cars, I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. This is totally awesome. Adam, thank you so much. Thank you so much for sending this out. I don't have this kit in my collection. This is an awesome truck. I was just looking at picking up one of these just the other day. So very, very thankful, very excited to grab this kit. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Man, that is some great detailing work. Not exactly sure when I'm going to be getting around to this. I do look forward to building it up and building it on the channel one day. So once again, Adam over at Sodak Model Cars, thank you so much for sending this out. It's not something that you had to do, but I really appreciate you sending this kit out to me. It really does mean a lot. Again, congratulations on 2,000 subs. All right, that's all I have for right now. I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will see you on the next one.